Attention sa lahat na naghahanap ng bahay sa Lancaster, New City at sa mga naghahanap ng video na loob ng TEA Inner Lot. Ito na po mismo ang video ng loob. Bank foreclose na, no bidding pa. Basta walang kasabay, sa'yo na agad itong unit na to. Property details, Security Bank foreclosed, located sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Model, TEA Inner Lot. Area 60 square meter. Floor area 60 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Selling price, 2,310,000 only. Sample computation, 20% down payment equals 462,000. 80% bank loan, 1,848,000. Kung 20 years to pay, nasa 15 to 16,000 plus per month lang ang estimated monthly amortization mo. Required income, around 50,000 per month. No bidding, basta walang kasabay. Ikaw na agad ang next owner. Note, bank fees and transfer of title not yet included. Mode of payment, PDC, manager's check, or bank loan. As is where is, meaning kung anong kondisyon ng bahay, yun na ang makukuha mo. Pero ang maganda dito, nasa prime location sa General Trias, malapit sa schools, transport hubs at commercial areas. Free house tour assistance available, pwede ka namin samahan for viewing. Libre po yan. Kung naghahanap ka ng ready for occupancy home na mura, accessible at walang bidding hassle, ito na ang sign mo. This is Jean Puig, your trusted PRC accredited real estate salesperson. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!